guys, so I just made a vegan omelet. This just eggs, and I used vegan sausage. Living room is filled with kayaks right now because it's Mother's Day. Hey guys, so I just got done at the gym. I'm about to run into Barnes & Nobles and try and pick up a copy of the New York Times. They actually wrote an article about my company in it. I already read the article online, but I just want to like save a copy of the paper. So they actually don't even have the New York Times there. He told me to check Starbucks, but I just got my Starbucks there. It's open! It's open! It's open. Hi! Hi! So we're off. Kayaks in the garage. My sister's gonna bring my mom out.
Mother's Day!
What? You bought me kayaks? I finally found a copy of the New York Times. Actually, Nick grabbed it for me from Starbucks. And this is the feature on Glamour Shots. It starts right here. There's my name. Whoa, focus, focus, focus. It's right there. And then a couple more times on this page. Look at this. How cool. Okay, so we're off to part 2 of Mother's Day, and we're gonna go to a nice Italian restaurant.
Buon appetito! There she is!
Hi, baby! Happy Mother's Day!
Good, looking good today!
So I'm on my way to an OK Magazine party. I'm going alone, so I'm so nervous. Like, how do you go to a party alone? I'm not really sure, but we're about to find out. I'm gonna take you along for this awkward adventure. So it's Friday morning. I'm on my way over to my cousin's salon. It's prom day in Hillsborough. And then I have one more client right after. I'll be done here at like 4. And I have another client at 4:30, a couple towns over. So today is gonna be a very busy day. So I just finished all of my prom makeovers for the day. So now I'm just sitting out on my deck with my dog. So I'm probably not going to be doing very much. So right now we're going to shoot some pictures. I brought some different sunglasses, some different props to play with. And we're trying to figure out where we're going. I think we're gonna try like 3 different spots in this outfit, and then we're gonna go do an outfit change and go to our regular spot, I think, to shoot the next outfit. So we just shot some pictures by that red door over there. It's a little hard because it's like in the middle of daylight, so as you can see there's like the sun it's too high to shoot right now, so we're looking for like shady spots to shoot. So I think some of those came out good, but we're gonna move on to another location because I can't really tell how good they're coming out until we see it on the computer because it's too bright to like even see the screen. So I think we're going to shoot here now. Some nice marble stairs. It's like 100 degrees. I'm sweating off all my makeup. My hair is starting to get wavy from like touching my skin. All right, next outfit. Okay, so it is Monday. I just finished this look and I did like step-by-step pictures of it, and I'm about to actually wash this all off and film another video. I'm going to next be filming the Kylie brow products. I haven't tried it yet. I just opened this box. I ordered 2 lipsticks as well, so I'm wearing the shade Kylie right now. So yeah, I'm literally about to wash this makeup that I just spent an hour doing off and move on to the next look right now. So this is my second look of the day. Let me see. I used a Lorac eyeshadow palette and the new Kylie Jenner eyebrow stuff. I did that eyebrow with a pencil and that one with the pomade. This was the shade blonde and this is the shade light brown, I think. Cool brown. So they're very, very similar. I think I like cool brown a little bit more just because I like my brows to be a little bit dark, especially since I keep my roots dark. But I really like the Kylie Brow products. I also have Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick on, the lip kit in the shade Fair. So it has been a long day of filming. I am sweating because with all these lights on and stuff, it gets so hot. Gotta keep getting up every couple of seconds to like, you know, change camera settings, change a lens, something or other. It's so hard filming all by yourself, but what you gonna do? So I have 2 videos to edit here. I have this vlog that I think I'm gonna wrap up right now and to edit. And then I have to edit a video for Nicole for this week as well. So I have a lot of editing to do. It's about 4:30 right now. I wanted to post on Instagram today too. I think I'm probably gonna try and do that first just before it gets too late. And then spend the night editing at least 4 videos. I think I have another one from last week that I didn't edit yet either. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below and come say hi.